All right, we're gonna make a short little video here. People have been asking to see what a 6 foot, almost 6'6" guy looks like riding one of these electric bikes. This is my bike. I have the seat post set on number 10, and I don't know if you can see that. It's actually pretty low. It goes up probably another 5 or 6 inches at least, but that's what I run it at. And then the front post is up pretty well all the way. It's on number 1. And it can go down to 13. Now, these bikes are different. Mine's a early XP. My wife's, hers, as you can see, is different as far as the indications. And I really haven't taken a tape measure. They both say 13 though. She rides hers with it on 13 and then the seat all the way down, or pretty far down. And that's so she can sit on the seat and pretty well flat foot while sitting on the seat. Even though she has a step through, she likes this type of seating arrangement and it's working well for her. Because I'm taller, I have my seat extended, but again, not as far as it can go. So, with that said, I'm going to have my wife take the phone, which she has, and we are going to just ride up and then ride back down. And that should conclude how it is. Thanks everyone. Hopefully this helps. Happy New Year.